So one of the best parts of my job is that I get to go around the state and visit all these different public school districts in Wisconsin. A lot of them are in rural areas. These areas are just absolutely beautiful. And I get to meet all kinds of wonderful people, teachers and school board members, but most of all, I have so much fun just visiting kids. So today, we are going to be visiting a school that is near and dear to my heart, and it's the Pecatonica Elementary School. So here we are. Are you ready? Let's go. They've made some big changes recently to enhance their teaching and learning. In recent years, they passed their first capital referendum in over 30 years. While these student learning opportunities and modernized learning environments are great, the school districts should not have to rely on referendums to create them. Really happy to meet with both the principal, Chris Rogers, and the superintendent, Dr. Danny Scott, to talk about the incredible things they are doing here in their school district.
I think that it was a long overdue. This is a building that the community deserves. Along with this inventory, kind of dovetailed into a much bigger project. We added a brand new gym as well, a competitive sized gym for middle school or high school if need be. Certainly our gym here was a little outdated, so now we've got one that we hopefully can use for community events as well.
Safe entrances. Previously how this building was kind of set up, once community came into the building, they weren't coming in directly to the office.
We've always had an after-school care program, like I said, in the past it's run out of the library or the cafeteria, which is all great, but once again, you're storing those things in another space that's meant for other educational purposes. Now they have a spot where they can start a project and leave it. They don't have to clean it up every single night, or it's going to be in the way of other learning opportunities.
It's a designated STEAM lab, robots or, animation or, things like that. And so we really wanted to have a designated space.
We also added a brand new playground and blacktop space. And once again, it's just the fresh look of it all, right? They're very excited about the new playground equipment that we have.
We knew that having a different library space was kind of at the top of our list as well. And so we were able to turn our existing gym into our new library and STEAM lab, and it's truly incredible.
And also added a nice learning space for student learning as well, which is excellent. I mean, before they did that, it was in a hallway where there were people passing at all times, and now they have their own dedicated space where they can do small group and one-to-one instruction just right outside the classrooms. We always had the teaching quality, right? Now to give them the space that matches is truly the big win.
I bet you didn't realize this, but 2/3 of Wisconsin public school districts are located in rural communities. And the case here at Pecatonica School District in the beautiful Driftless region of Southwest Wisconsin is no different than any other. They serve as the hub of activity in their small rural communities. Pecatonica is leading the way in creativity and innovation, making sure that all their kids get a world-class 21st century education.